Now what I'd like to do is talk a little bit about output and formatting your output. Let's suppose that I wanted gross profit to be on the left-hand side of the screen, and then I wanted this variable here, we'll call it var1. I wanted this to end at column 50. So how would I write that? Here's all I do. I count up the number of spaces here in gross profit and a colon, and that's 13. I take the 13, I subtract it from 50, and I'm left with a 37. And I say, Cout less than, quote, gross profit. That puts the gross profit left justified on the screen. And then I say less than, set with the 37, less than, var1 and inline. And what that does, it puts var1, it puts this right here, this variable, this value, right justified in the field 37 characters wide. And that makes perfect sense because gross profit is 13, and then from here to here I right justify my data in a field 37 characters wide, thus ending at column 50. Now let's do another one, but this time let's go ahead and put a $sign in here. And the reason I'm putting the $sign in here is that maybe I'd like to have a couple lines of output, and I want these $signs to all line up, and I want all my ending values here, my variables, I want them all to end at column 50. So what do? I count up how many characters are here, and it's 13. Then the instructor, the teacher, has to tell you how big he wants this field. I'm going to say I want this field from the $sign over, I want that to be 10. So I count up 13 and 10, that's 23, and I subtract 23 from 50. I'll say that again. 13 and 10 is 23, and I subtract that from 50, and it gives me 27. That means that the $sign will be right justified in a field 27 characters wide. And it makes sense because now 13 for gross profit, 27 for the $sign, that's 40, and 10 more for the variable, that's 50. And here's your output. Cout less than, quote, gross profit in quotes, less than, set with 27, less than, $sign. The $sign is right justified in a field 27 things big. Less than, set with 10, less than, var1, less than, inline. Var1 is right justified in a field 10 characters wide.